This is my review of the Rose Pocket Oracle. Here you can see how they look like. They're really, really beautiful, rose themed, perfect if you want some divine feminine guidance, some goddess guidance. Beautiful, beautiful pictures. The only thing I would say is that they can be a bit hard to interpret sometimes. If you look at the pictures, like it's hard to tell like what they depict sometimes. But that leaves it more room for interpretation as well, and going with your own intuition of what it means for you. And I love that it comes with a guidebook. So if you want more guidance on what it means, your card, then you can always look it up here. And it even comes with like a soul inquiry. For example, how is your life trying to initiate you? So as you can see, it fits in the palm of my hand. So it's a travel deck, you can say, and I prefer it that way. I don't want my tarot or oracle cards to be huge. So highly recommend.